Franny the Fish by D.M. Tran, dedicated to the EDS professors at UCSD. Franny the Fish had one simple wish. She wanted to teach children to reach for their goals that was deep down in their soul. But Franny the Fish had to learn all about teaching children to yearning to know more than merely earning a score to tell them what they know, because a number doesn't show you how much you've grown. Therefore, she embarked on a journey to the sea, a sea of knowledge called UCSD. Franny the Fish encountered her first obstacle, the struggle of catering to all her students' need, which seems impossible. But a learner is a learner no matter how small. Finding their strength was the biggest goal of all. Some students didn't speak the language of the class, therefore she provided sentence rings and visuals to ensure they would pass. Some students learn by what they see, while others learn through hands-on activities. So Franny the Fish went on and on, using different strategies that seemed beyond all the other teacher fish, because these strategies were more than just a gift. It was a practice that must be used for several times for students to reach that mountain they were meant to climb. Some fish were extremely fast, passing their classmates with a flash. Thus Franny the Fish slowed them down by challenging them so they wouldn't swim straight out of town. Some fish swam awfully slow, not knowing where they would go, so Franny the Fish held their fins, showing them where to begin. But regardless of how fast or slow they swam, Franny the Fish taught them that sometimes they would be in a jam. But no matter what struggles the sea may bring, all fish must remember to just keep swimming. There are many mysteries to the sea, things that are not yet discovered by Franny or me. But the deep, dark unknown can be seen. It can be seen through eccentric high-tech machines used to communicate from creatures all over the reef, or discovering the creatures that leave us in disbelief. We need these technologies for students to learn beyond the curiosity of our concerns about things we are not aware of, all the knowledge that is still waiting for us out there. Finding a job was quite hard to find, since it seems as if she was running out of time. After countless of hours, weeks, and months on a joint, she landed her first job at an elementary school called LaCoin. Regardless of how difficult it gets out there, things will get better, she swears. As a new teacher, Franny knew there were many more things she had to do, but she kept swimming on, for her cohort had an unbreakable bond. In this profession, you can't succeed on your own. Amazing educators are willing to help. You are not alone. Franny's lessons failed and failed, but that was the only way she was able to prevail. Through all her lessons learned, reflecting was the only way teaching was earned. Franny the Fish has concluded that teaching is more than just the deep blue sea, for there are many more things to be discovered beyond the anemone. Franny the Fish had one simple wish, a precious wish to be a teacher who ensured her students to think deeper into their curious minds, to discover all the possibilities that was hidden inside. For a teacher's job is more than just a test score. It's teaching students to believe that there is so much more to life than a yes or a no. It's believing in themselves to get to the places they were meant to go. All children can and will succeed, and that is what Franny the Fish learned at UCSD. Unless teachers like us care a whole awful lot, nothing is going to get better. It's not.